Top 7 Fascinating Shortcut Key for Windows. You can spend an hour in front of your computer for the easiest tasks or complete them within minutes by using a couple of simple key combinations. So if you want to make your computer experience more effective, here are some new ways to use the most popular keys. Number 1. Pressing logo key and E together, so you can instantly find a drive you need. If you want to quick access to download window in your browser, click Ctrl with J. This shortcut will allow you to see all the files that you currently downloading. Your browser history can also be opened through a similar command, Ctrl plus S. The Windows logo key and L locks your PC or allows you to switch user if you are not the only one who uses the computer. You can open the Easy of Access Center with a letter commanded by pressing the Windows by the Windows logo key and U. Number 2. Escape. We often use escape to close something, but did you know that this key can be used for numerous other purposes? The first surprise is that you don't necessarily need to use the Windows logo key to open the Start menu. Escape with Ctrl can do the same thing. Just try it. Windows Task Manager is essential for anyone who works on their computer. To have easier access to it, press Escape plus Ctrl plus Shift. It will save your time. Whenever you have way too many programs open at once, use Escape and Alt to switch between. It's easy way than using your mouse, and it allows you to switch between programs in the same order they were opened. Number 3. Tab. Most people rarely use the tab key, just like pretty much every key. Have you ever had so many Google Chrome windows open that it was hard to cope? If you need to switch quickly between them, the tab plus Ctrl will certainly become your favorite. You can also go back to previous tab by pressing Tab, Ctrl and Shift. Open app and program on your computer can also be controlled by using the tab key. If you have Windows, press Tab, Ctrl and Alt and use the arrow key to switch between all your open programs. If you don't have a mouse and need to move around on the screen, press Tab and with the up and down arrow. It's just as comfortable and quick as working. Number 4. Alt. Using the Alt key on its own is rather useless, but combination it with other keys can help you deal with almost any situation you can imagine. Ctrl F, open file menu option for whatever program you are working in. Alt plus E takes you to edit options. If you want to see the properties of a certain file or folder without looking for it in the settings, select the file and press Alt and Enter to see the information you need. To close all Google Chrome windows completely at the end of your session, press Alt with F4. Number 5. Shift. Most people use the Shift key purely to type a capital letter. However, it can control a bit more than that. If you accidentally close window, Shift plus Ctrl plus T to get back same tab. Number 6. Almost all shortcuts have a control key as one of their components, and as you probably already know most of them, let's talk about some interesting control options that may have missed. If you are working in Microsoft Word, you probably used bold, italic and underline text option a lot instead of doing all this by mouse. You can select the text and press Ctrl B or Ctrl I or Ctrl U to do the same thing. Instead of typing the whole name of the site in your browser's address bar, type only its name, for instance like Facebook, and press Ctrl and Enter. This command will add www and .com and send you to the site all by itself. View all your favorite site by pressing Ctrl plus I. And number 7. Windows logo key. There are actually many more useful with it that can make your life more easier. If you have way too many windows open at once, press the Windows logo key with M to minimize them. What shortcut combination do you use the most? Let me know in the comment box below. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, share and comment.